Do you ever start speaking English, and suddenly your mind goes blank? The word is right there, but you just can't remember it. Don't worry, it happens to all of us. Today, I'll give you 5 simple fixes so you never get stuck mid-sentence again. Hi guys, welcome back to English Guru, helping you speak English with confidence and fluency. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and let's fix this problem together. Fix 1. Use a placeholder word. If you forget a word, don't freeze. Use placeholder words like thing, stuff, kind of, what's it called. Example, instead of, I need a screwdriver, say, I need that tool, what's it called, the one for screws. This keeps the conversation flowing while your brain catches up. Fix 2. Describe the word. Describe the meaning until the listener understands. Example, forgot, microwave. Say, that small oven that heats food quickly. This way, you're still communicating, and often, the other person will supply the word for you. Fix 3. Practice word retrieval. Word retrieval is like muscle memory. Play games like category naming. Name as many animals, fruits, or colors as possible in 1 minute. Synonym swap. Pick a word and find 3 other ways to say it. The more you practice, the faster your brain will find words. Fix 4. Think in English. When you translate from your mother tongue, your brain takes extra time and sometimes gets stuck. Start thinking in English. Describe what you're doing during the day, like, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm opening the window. This builds a direct connection between thoughts and English words. Fix 5. Learn collocations and phrases. Instead of memorizing single words, learn word pairs and phrases. For example, make a decision, not just decision. Catch a cold, not just cold. When words are linked in your memory, it's harder to forget them. So next time you forget a word, don't panic. Use placeholders, describe, practice retrieval, think in English, and learn phrases. Which of these will you try first? Tell me in the comments. And if you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to English Guru for more speaking tips.